welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be the first episode of Falling for Fall for 2023 and I am so excited. We are kicking it off with a bang and it is going to be a shop with me. I filmed one of these videos last year and you all seemed to really like it. So did I. It was really fun to just like go in store, see what the fall trends are, do a little shopping, see what's out there. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. I know it is super early to decorate for fall, to even shop for fall, to even think about fall. If you are still in summer mode, like I completely understand, but for me, and I've talked about this before, but for me personally, about to get deep for a second, I have to plan ahead. It really helps with my anxiety. I talked about on Instagram that I am in therapy now and it eases my mind to have a plan. Making a plan, staying ahead of what's going on in my life really helps me manage my anxiety and manage my stress, which actually brings me into today's sponsor, which is BetterHelp. You guys, BetterHelp is an online therapy service that makes therapy super accessible and affordable so that anyone can have access to it, which is awesome. If you can relate to that with having anxiety, any type of like mental struggles that you're going through, BetterHelp can really help you out. It makes it super easy for you to find a therapist. You just have to answer a couple questions and they'll match you with a therapist that is right for you. But you feel like personally, maybe that therapist and you guys aren't really clicking, or you don't feel like maybe this is a great match, you can switch at no additional cost. It is super affordable. What I also really like is that it is completely online. So I've talked about BetterHelp before, but if you didn't know, it's totally online. So you can be in the comfort of your own home. So I will have a link down below. You can save 10% off your first month. Again, that's BetterHelp, HELP.com. And with all of that being said, now that you know why I'm such a planner, I have to stay ahead and manage my stress and my anxiety. Now let's get straight into the video and do some fall shopping. Okay, guys, so we are starting off strong in Nordstrom. Nordstrom does have a home section. It's pretty small, but they've got the fall stuff out and ready to go. So they have these beautiful Barefoot Dreams blankets. You're gonna notice that a common trend and theme with fall home decor this year is a lot of darker plum berry colors, as well as like darker green tones. I know usually with fall home decor, we think of orange, we think of amber, we think of browns, chocolatey colors, but this year I saw a lot of like jewel tones, which normally I associate with like Christmas, but I'm here for it. I love the tones. I love the rich colors, and you'll also notice a ton of obviously fall candles. That's nothing new, but I see some Voluspa over there, which you all know is my favorite. Hey, Rob. And now we're moving on to West Elm. You guys, I was surprised that this early on, there's so many home decor finds. Like the stores are ready. They're preparing just like I am, I guess. So in West Elm, I found a ton of different stems and faux branches, as well as vases, some pumpkins, and not only just fall, there's also Halloween decor in there as well. Over here, the tablescape area, you can see that Rob's like showing you some of the coasters and place settings that were just like this charcoal cement material. I don't know, I thought it was really cool. And then over here is more like Halloween decor. I like that the decor is not so blatantly obvious. Pumpkin, fall, like Thanksgiving leaves, like it's very subtle. It's kind of more so the idea of fall rather than a literal representation of fall. So you'll see even like the smoked vases, the blankets, the throw pillows, of course. And like I said, it's kind of like that dark chocolatey color. I love this for a blanket. I should have picked this up because it was 20% off. But anyway, even moving over here. So if you didn't want to do a dark tone for fall, I love this fur. I guess is it Sherpa? I'm not sure the material. Pillow. It's like white. You can do fall with like super aesthetic white crisp colors. Rob's just smelling a candle over here. He wanted to get a candle for the man cave. Anyway, Moving over here, more tablescape decor. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear Briella in the background. She's playing with Legos. We're gonna skip forward. So yeah, here are more of the like traditional fall colors, like this orange blanket, this knit throw pillow over here. I thought was really cute. Very like traditional fall in my eyes. More pillows over here. So yeah, we just had a time walking through West Elm, looking at all the fall decor. I was surprised that some of the new fall decor was actually on sale. I was like, oh, okay, I'm here for that. Usually you would think around this time of the year, summer things are going on sale, but no, they were like, you want fall? We'll give you fall and we'll give it to you on sale. So we're headed out. This was kind of like a last overview of West Elm, and then we're making our way down to Pottery Barn. So moving on to Pottery Barn, fall was everywhere. It was like they threw like a fall party up in here. There were so many fall decor pieces. When we just walked in, you saw the more like orange traditional fall. Then we moved past to like the white crisp type fall vibe. Lots and lots of pillows. So see, this is what I mean by lots of dark plum berry shades for fall this year. This was a trend that I saw that I was really surprised by, but I was so here for it. Like, I think that's really pretty if you want to incorporate that, like throw pillows on your couch, even on your bed. This super cool pine cone, faux candle, lots of stems. Of course, Rob was intrigued by this candle. He was like, does it smell good? It didn't. It's a fake candle. It's just for the vibe. But how real does that wick look? I was like, hold on a second. Is this lit? Do they have like actual candles lit in the store? They don't. They just had the faux ones. But you can see more stems over here. I'm panning over more throw pillows. Again, like those like darker berry colors, and then darker green and gray, and even like a navy blue. I don't know. I just thought it was really, really cool and different. So it doesn't always have to be orange. So that's one trend that I saw, was just incorporating different tones this year for fall, and I'm loving it. So yeah, a knit blanket, of course. You gotta have a throw blanket, knit blanket, fur blanket for fall, because it's colder out. So it only makes sense that you want to like cuddle up, bundle up. Like, look at these tones. I keep saying that. I need to stop talking about the tones, but they're everywhere. They're huge this year. So, and then this is just kind of like the decor that they had on a coffee table as an example. They had this like dark purpley pillow, and then this side was a lot more like lighter as far as colors, but still incorporating fall, which I thought was really pretty. And it doesn't have to be that much. Like, you don't have to go overboard. You don't have to go crazy. You could literally get 2 throw pillows. You could get some stems and a throw blanket and be good to go. See, this right here, this is what we're not finna do. This is not what we're doing this year. That light up pumpkin. Actually, okay, if you want to get that, put it in the playroom, put it in your kids' room, something fun like that. But I was like, Pottery Barn, what are we doing over here? So again, more stems. Over on this side, I thought this looked like Briella, like this picture. I did like a double take. I'm like, wait, is that Briella? And then over here, more Halloween decor, the dark, the black, the spooky, the haunted, but make it chic. And I really like that candle holder, the pumpkin candle holder, the gold. I thought that was really cool. And that's something that I would definitely purchase. I love this tablescape. They had a lot of like leaves. It kind of reminded me of something that you would decorate with for Thanksgiving. And then we decided to come on over, ease on down the road to Crate and Barrel. Rob is a trooper. He's like, let me make sure I got everything in this bag. Let's go. He was like handing me the camera and like making sure everything was charged. He was just so good. So anyway, moving on, Crate and Barrel, they've got a lot of tablescape decor. I was not a big fan of that table runner, like the gingham. Not really a big fan of that, but I love this one with like the natural wooden like woven place settings. We've got more stems. We've got more fall colors over here with like the orange, the amber, the like rich traditional fall colors, which I really, really love. And then, so yeah, this is kind of just like a pan. We were walking all over. I didn't want to miss anything because in Crate and Barrel, they had a lot of options. This store in particular had a ton. They had a lot of stuff going on, and I was like in fall heaven. So I just kept looking around to my left, looking to my right. There was a lot of fall stuff everywhere, even in the kitchen section. The kitchen section, they had pumpkin, what is that? Like cupcake molds and things like that, and cookie cutters, and look at all these stems. Like, can we take a moment for all of these fall stems? I could have grabbed like a bunch of, what is it, like a bouquet. I could have grabbed a bouquet of literally every single style. I thought it was so nice. You could honestly put these in a centerpiece at your table. Like we see a lot here, but you could put them anywhere, honestly, like an entryway table in your living room, any surface. Like I'm a big fan of faux stems. You all know this by now. So you could put them literally anywhere, have a candle, look at the reefs over there, candlesticks, like anything to make it feel cozy. That's kind of like the theme here for fall is cozy vibe. Cozy, comfy, we're bundled up, we're watching a Hallmark movie, we're drinking like a hot chai tea and having maybe some apple pie, our guilty pleasure snacks. Like this is just the vibe. Like look at this even upstairs. I love the tablescapes. Lots of tablescape inspo this year. I wanted to show you this bowl. I don't know why, just I guess I liked it. And then yeah, lots of living room inspo as well. Crate and Barrel did their thing. I was really, really impressed with the wide selection, wide variety of fall decor. This is the last store that we went to. Rob's like, I'm done. I need to relax. We've been shopping way too much, but I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspo to see what's out there. I'll link some of my favorites down below. And also don't forget to check out BetterHelp. You can use my code to save 10% off. This is kind of just like a once over the final things that we're seeing in Crate and Barrel. Lots of pillows, throw blankets, and lots of goodies for fall. So if you all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my Falling for Fall series, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.